Welcome back. I'm joined again this morning by Alex and Bryn here, two cast members from Pittsburgh Community Theater's upcoming production of Matilda. And during the break, I found out a little bit more about you guys. And Bryn, this is actually your first production with Pittsburgh Community Theater, but not your first play. Will you tell me what that first play was?
It was Beauty and the Beast.
Beauty and the Beast.
Junior.
Beauty and the Beast Junior. And
yes.
You did that at Colgan?
Yes.
Yes. What was your role in that play?
Mrs. Potts.
Mrs. Potts?
Yes.
Oh, that's a fun character. So, what has it been like transitioning from your role as Mrs. Potts to the lead role, Matilda?
It was hard. It was confusing. It was fun though.
Mm-hmm. And what has been the most, I guess you'd say this is a musical, of course, so there's a lot of singing. You've told us about the one song that you do by yourself called Naughty. That sounds like a lot of fun. What has been the most challenging part of learning all the lines and everything?
Well, I have this big scene where I have to tell a story to Miss Phelps. She's a librarian, and so I'm telling her the story, and I have to memorize these long scenes 4 times, I think, and it's really confusing because it's just a lot.
But you're getting it down.
Yeah.
You're getting it down, and you have a couple weeks left.
Yes.
Yes, Matilda starts on July 22nd, that Friday. So I'm sure you'll get it all down.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have a good support system too.
Mm-hmm.
How do you go about practicing your lines for this type of play?
Like, how do I do it?
Mm-hmm.
I just read it, I go through it, I try saying it to myself, and then I read it again if I get it wrong, and then I say it. That's how I normally do it.
Okay, I'm sure it's coming along great. What are some other fun scenes that you have in the play?
Some fun scenes. So there's a song called Smell of Rebellion, and Miss Trunchbull, the head mistress of the school, makes us do like phys ed, like PE. And so we get to do like all these tricks, and then she like yells at me after that because she gets like a newt in her pants. Yeah, it's just a lot of fun.
A newt in her pants?
Yeah.
Ew. That doesn't sound fun at all. All right, now, Alex, tell me a little bit about your career with Pittsburgh Community Theater. You've done a couple of other plays with them.
Yeah, I first started out at PCT doing Newsies. It was before COVID had hit, and huge show, really fun. I enjoyed it. I played race in that, and any time that there's a musical or anything or an opportunity to perform, I honestly love the theater, love the staff. It's great. It's a great time, and excited to have like fresh faces in at PCT, so it's always welcoming to have new people in there as well.
That's awesome. And this cast definitely has a lot of new faces because you have a lot of young faces in as well. If people are wanting to get involved with PCT, how would you recommend they go about that?
Yeah, just audition as much as possible. They usually put out the list of the shows for the upcoming season. Always be on the lookout for that and just audition as much as possible. And those dates will always be posted either on their Facebook page or on the website. And just audition.
Now, I know this is community theater, and most of the participants have, 9 to 5 or daytime jobs too as well. So is it tough? Is it a struggle being able to fit the practices and rehearsals and everything in with your daily life?
It can be a little bit challenging, but the directors are very understanding. At the very beginning, you put down, say, I can't be here this day, and majority of the time willing to work with you on all of that. So willing to accommodate a lot of jobs, just random occurrences. So very welcoming in that regard as well.
Well, there are 3 dates where you would definitely have to be there,
Yes.
and they are July 22nd, 23rd, and 24th, correct? Tell us a little bit about the show times or details about that.
So it's going to be at 7:30 on the 22nd and 23rd, and 2 o'clock on 23rd and the 24th.
All right. Hope everyone comes out and sees this wonderful production of Matilda. And you had already told me it's a little bit different than the movie, but there's some similarities there as well.
Yes.
So it'll bring back a lot of childhood memories for people who did see it as young. I mean, of course, did you ever get a chance to see it as a play performed?
No. Definitely listen to the soundtrack through, and it is, acting in it, it's definitely different, but it ties a lot in similarity-wise to the movie as well. So it's not so foreign to people.
Okay, all right. Well, it'll be a great experience for everybody. A great message that's told in the story as well. All right. Well, thank you two for coming on. I'll let you get. I don't have to send you off to school this morning because it's summertime, so that's nice. But I guess I'll let you get to work.
Yes.
All right. We will be right back.